Aurora Gaming is the first team sa MPL Philippines Season 16 to qualify for the playoffs. You know what time it is? Hands in. Over the course of the season, marami nang nagbibigay sa Aurora ng respeto. Number one, their execution in the early game is quite strong. Sinasabi na din niya ng ibang mga coaches na sa Aurora talaga sila nagre-review para makita nila kung ano pa yung pwede nilang ma-improve sa team. Tapos yung mga madalas pa naming marinig sa mga mic checks na hindi sila masyadong ngarag sa pag-shot call, lalo na sa pressure situation, says a lot about this team. Pangalawa is their coaching staff. Wolf has said this, content creators have said this. Minsan kasi na-echapuera yung coaching staff dahil sa galing ng mga players, but the coaches give the avenue for the players to shine. Props to Coach MTB and Coach Dexter, man. Parang umabot na sa punto na ine-explain na nila sa mga players nila kung ano yung dapat gawin, and the players handle the execution. That's how well they're doing things. Ito ang overshadowed talaga, si Kalad. Considering na sixth man siya, siguro namimim siya ng ibang mga tao na parang ano ba ginagawa ni Kalad dun? I believe he's there for the numbers. He's part of the coaching staff, and there's a reason why hindi siya binibitawan ng Aurora ever since Season 14. Sure, hindi siya naglalaro. Pero minsan kasi hindi lang naman tungkol sa laro ang MPL eh. It's about the draft. It's about the mental state of your players. It's about how well they can be in certain situations. And they defeated Team Liquid Philippines 2-0 with an average gold of 10k pagdating sa lamang. Pwedeng ang kalaban na lang nila ngayon ay ang kanilang mga sarili and also the public eye.